Hello, good morning. So today is day 3 in Bhutan. Again, it's really beautiful weather today, and today we're planning to go to the Punakha, where there's a very beautiful bridge called Suspension Bridge. And before we leave for our sightseeing, we are going to have a breakfast. Okay, let's ask. Okay, 남자 과제에다 클라스 과제. 기다려 있는 클라스 해 말해. 네, cafe. Okay. 당한주한테 clock tower 라유. 안데라 쇼차 식사고 삼데 능한주 드링 가이드 good 이러시라스라. 다담 당주 저대야. Okay, good morning. The breakfast here, and then breakfast they call it English breakfast and sana kesan dingela yaga breakfast Buddhist breakfast the rice wala be heavy chaidu jole heavy chaida. That's why we go for English breakfast today. So guide introduce thema je the vlog la aja inda today nanzu ki guide kesala re and mora in talent shoes to ra thada language ngas for a guy moraya ke inchi Bhutanese and then Nepali Hindi shoes to the dada very talented speak like different languages kesala so some Punakha Dzong old capital race Punakha new one current capital Thimphu. Thimphu. Yeah. Punakha is old capital there. Oh, I actually know that. What's your car? That's the Punakha old capital of Bhutan. Kesanyingba. Jugi kesanyingba de la ansuda thing. You got on chamla perito. Let's say, henge. Henge, that's the easy shagas. Punakha Dzong lesson. So this is the Punakha Dzong. Wow, look at this beautiful building structure. And look at this purple tree, okay? Oh my god, it's so windy today. I will take more video from here. So guys, Punakha Dzong was built in 1637 and was old capital city of Bhutan. This is also known as the king's winter residence because during the winter time, king used to come here and stay here for whole winter seasons because this place is much warmer than it's compared to Thimphu, which is the new capital city of Bhutan now. This is the place where the first king of Bhutan was crowned here in this palace in 1907, December 17. So after that, every important event starts from here in this palace. Last one number so tangi tourist guide kesala gi chapshin ngarang gi dishe kya cho khaisna ani kesala gi dishe kya tu sambala kap thu tu lungbu shu ji kya dwa ngi gi pan na la sew shiras khom do cheza tanga morang gi chapshin tu dishe kya cho ta di Punakha Dzong la do number so sida khandeng ji mu da Punakha Dzong di ta du gi dishe kya sanging ba 차도와 다 단다 사바데 팀보리다 팀보 차도 제자니 다 Punakha Dzong di khatu shenshilana ro chikton dishati dadi gomba jora khatu shenshilana chikton thukesum chu sobdu lo shensha ani ta dinala tuki kebo thangbo ji kyongdo sambola dinal jego de dinal chido kebo thangbo di ondi lo khatu rishilana chikton gupke dyun jinda chungi che chup dyun la dus ji kebo thangbo di kyo do dinala 오늘 시안이 딱 공가 딱발 시 로다르 시안이 개보다 개보 낭미 주선이 대패체 될 슈고 순수 공가로 아니 야가라 아니 파도 스팀불라 페페고 순수 아니 공가데 카이스나 디사체 디 스팀부스나 좋아도 오늘의 relation 디 군주기다 디 공바디 페사신 부시기도 안 최선이 코로나주기다 제고 개치부 가리 이내 창마 당시 되는 되네 고수고 순수 라소 따데 디 디르샤 땅은 주기 다 차게 시나다 되네 시우도 아데 아니 미레르 구멍압경압겨리샤. So the entrance ticket is 500 rupees for per persons and you can get from here. Okay guys, so let's go inside and check it out. short. Wow, look at this. Wow, it's gorgeous. And this is the wooden bridge. Okay. I like this purple tree, the color of the tree. You know, it's purple. Look at this pretty.
So the yamse chilra Bhutan la gomba changma kenza rai khatu rishe ya ya ma tu sana yang ro thu tu ra kenza khatu drishte ya ani nga tara ma phap tu ente shiu du sina ta ro thum nim de dewa ge ku sho du ku shan ro tu de ma khandes ta kon so khom sa do ya pe hang sa do de ma changma ente rish gomba changma the security guard handes tu mi ta ta yang ro da shin sa de
The other side, hostel, okay.
So province ke khari ke diyo me sangma tirang da yore.
I'm the design that the hunting in Jota.
So once of Bhutan there are 13 different arts and crafts here. One thing the wood carving, painting, then one of the different. So once the wood ke design, carving that's a thing. The painting that's in it. It's very important for us. This one we consider as the mermaid.
Mermaid.
So river ni ke chalo the mermaid the in this yeah, when Shabdung came to Bhutan, it was said that she too followed Shabdung. So then she took a vow to do the construction work, help in construction. So manjogi de la do chambu kiyung ya the log kiyung ya chugi nanglo ni kiyung ya ki she actually took the vow. So she bought them. So this is said to be the head of the mermaid. Ta tanda nganjo sunam yo mara ta nganjo do den jewels chin thong men do. Actually it is said these are all jewels. The mermaid ki chede do in the chip chudo do. Ta nganjo won the chugi do the mermaid.
This one chuni kili yore. The jewelry lore.
So they are supposed to be actually
No.
So ta nganjo sunam yo.
There is Sukile. Who brought all these stones? Okay. Oh, that's good. Mamit ke yang pare aku juga video tu. Tadi and the lu is tu sih semua orang tu lu mo. Yang aku cincin tu. Okay. Kita share lu mo.
As you can see, this picture is the goddess of mermaid. They believe that she helped them to build this huge temple. This temple is built between the two rivers, which is called the male and female river. When the temple was constructed, there were no cars and trucks, and also the lack of man workers, and they need lots of stones to build this temple. So the goddess of mermaid brought lots of stones from the river to build these temples. And as you can see, they still kept some stones in the glass doors.
Wow. Oh my God. So beautiful. So we cannot take the video inside. So I'm gonna stop here. We'll catch you later. Hi guys, so we are walking towards the suspension bridge, and suspension bridge is the longest bridge in Bhutan, and it's very popular, especially for the tourists. And it's not easy to go there because there's no way to drive and bike to the bridge. You have to walk all the way from Punakha Dzong to the suspension bridge. It's not too far, but it's very sunny today. It's very hot, so it makes me dehydrate. I feel like, you know, tired easily when I feel hot and dehydrate. And you see the river. This river is very beautiful. This river is called the male river. The female one is the one we just crossed when we entered the Punakha Dzong. That river is called the female river. And the Punakha Dzong is actually constructed between the two rivers, male rivers and the female rivers. Whew. Almost there. This is the bridge. This is the bridge. Okay. Cucumber. Oh wow. Okay, finally we have arrived here at the suspension bridge. Wow! Look at this. Amazing. Wow. Woo! 이 바라디다. This is called the heaven. 봐. 어쨌든 저쯤에라 차가니 스톱 체인더라. 아니 암라인라서. 따디 이제 약부지고 말 상바직디 간레서나 인지 민지 야 파도체 파네 야츠랑자 크로스 추라서. 아니 온디네 소소 삼템 보러 죽그레니 랑가가 되고요라. 어디도 참아 죽을랐어. 야 내가 태워쳤어. 야 강자 크로스 치 봐서 바보도 다 바보도 로주게.